A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our computer class. Dear children, today we are going to start your last chapter, that is chapter number 8, Word 2016. Okay, so you all are ready? Yes. So, what is Word? It is a processing software. First you have to understand it. Okay, क्या है एक Word? Word एक processing software है. A word processor is an application software that helps you to type your text on the computer. The process of typing using the word processor is known as word processing. Now, dear children, as you are writing in your notebooks, okay, you are writing the question and answers in your notebooks. In the same way, in computer, there is a software to type, okay. In this software, you can type anything. You can type essay, question and answers, anything in this software. So, when we are typing in that software, that is known as word processing. Okay. Word 2016 is a popular word processor that helps you in typing a new document, saving it and making changes in it. Now, as you are maintaining your notebooks, yes, you are writing it, then you are keeping them very nicely. In the same way, in computer, we are having a new document. Okay, means a screen will be there where we can type it. Then we can save it also. And if there are any changes in it, we can make that changes also. हम उसको save भी कर सकते हैं और कुछ new changes भी कर सकते हैं. Now you will ask one question from me. मैम कौन सा है ये वर्ड, क्या है ये सॉफ्टवेयर? कम ऑन, लेट अस सी. So when you are opening your computer, okay, here is a start button given to you. Yes, see here my cursor. On the start button, click on the start button. Then here you will search Word. See Microsoft Word. Okay, then you will click on it. See, this is Microsoft Word 2016. Yes, it is a processing software. While we are typing in it, it is known as word processing. Okay. Now, first of all, I will show you what are like this is a document area, and you see the small line here blinking. It is known as cursor. It is known as cursor. We will study the components of Word along with the theory part. Okay, let's move on to our theory part. So, you all knew how to start Word 2016? Yes? So, you will all be able to do that. I know. Now, what are the uses of Word? First of all, we will see the uses. To make timetable, जैसे आपके स्कूल में आप timetable होता है, that timetable is being made in Word. To type an essay or a letter, जब आपको कोई भी essay या letter लिखना हो कंप्यूटर में, then we will use Word. यहाँ तो फुल कोई बिजनेस रिपोर्ट बनानी है, आपके पापा जो भी बिजनेस रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं, they are all made in this software, dear children. Understood? Next, we are having the features of Word. हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं Word में? We can create document. हम एक नया document बना सकते हैं, edit कर सकते हैं. Then what we have written it, जो भी हमने उसमें टाइप किया है, we can edit the words and the sentences. Then you can change the size, style of letters and make them colorful. In your notebooks, you maintain a proper handwriting. Yes, but in Word, we can change the size, style and color of what we have typed in that document. फिर हम मार्जिन्स भी सेट कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपकी नोटबुक्स में मार्जिन दी हुई होती है where you are writing the question numbers. In the same way, in Word also we can set the margins of the page. Then we can cut, copy and paste text. You can check and correct spelling and grammar. कुछ भी हमने spelling mistake की है, that also we can check in Word. Then you can print your document also. Yes, हम उस डॉक्यूमेंट को हार्ड कॉपी में प्रिंट में निकाल भी सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? देन व्हाट एल्स वी कैन डू? फिर हम पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, टेबल्स इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, हम बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं इन वर्ड. Understood, dear children, what all things can we do in Word? Yes, is it clear to you? Now, some quick bites. When we are saving our document, okay, वो किसके name आप उसको name दोगे. Then that document is saved with an extension name .docx. See here it is written .docx. It is automatically added. तो जो वर्ड फाइल हमारी सेव होती है वो किस एक्सटेंशन नेम से सेव होती है? इट इज बीन सेव्ड बाय .docx. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट we are having the parts of words. Now we are going to study word. Okay, what are the parts of word? The first one is the title bar. It is on the top of the screen. It displays a document name followed by the program name. ये सबसे ऊपर होता है और इसमें क्या दिखता है? डॉक्यूमेंट का नेम दिखता है. At the right end of the corner of the title bar, you see three buttons. हम three buttons देखेंगे. Minimize, restore down, maximize and close. The minimize button is used to reduce the window to a small icon on the taskbar. Minimize button क्या करता है? हमारी विंडो को reduce कर देता है. The restore down is used to make the window smaller than the full size. The same button is used to bring it to the full size. And last is the close button, means वो window को close करने के लिए. Now let us see in Word where we are having the title bar. See, this is the title bar. Here it is written the document name, that is document 1, and here it is written the program name. Okay, then here we are having three buttons: minimize, restore down and close button. See, मैं जब minimize को click करूँगी तब क्या होगा? We are again back to our theory part. Okay. Now, if I will click on restore down button, वर्ड की साइज छोटी हो गई, हमारी विंडो की साइज छोटी हो गई. ओके, देन हमको फिर से फुल व्यू चाहिए हमारी विंडो का. देन वी विल अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन एंड द लास्ट क्लोज बटन इज यूज टू क्लोज दिस विंडो. अंडरस्टूड डियर चिल्ड्रन? इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग then ribbon. Now the ribbon is located just below the title bar. It contains two parts, tabs and group. Each tab contains related commands together arranged in different groups. We will see this also. Next, first we will move on to file tab. On clicking the file tab, we find that a menu appears using which we can create new file, open an existing file, save a file and perform other tasks. Okay, let us see these two options now, these two parts. Where is ribbon and where is the file tab? See dear children, this area, you can see my cursor, this area is known as ribbon. Okay, now in the ribbon we are having different groups and different tabs. This is the font group, paragraph group, and these are different tabs available to us in the ribbon. Okay. The next we were having the file tab. See, here is the file tab. In this we are having new document, open an existing document, then save a document. All these options we are having in the file tab. Is it clear to you? Yes? So, next we are having the quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It provides us to access with two commands we frequently use. जो हम commands बहुत ज़्यादा use करेंगे वो इस tool bar में है. Okay. By default, save, undo, repeat appear on the quick access toolbar. We can add more commands on the quick access toolbar as per our need. हम और भी commands इसमें add कर सकते हैं. Okay. The next is the status bar. The status bar is displayed at the bottom of the window. Displays information about the current document like the page number, number of words, zoom slider and view buttons. Let us see these two bars. Okay. So this is the quick access toolbar. Here we are having the save, undo, redo option. Open the document. Yes, this area is known as the quick access toolbar. Then this is the status bar. See, this is the, you can see my cursor. This is the status bar. Is it clear to you? Yes. So next we are having dialog box launcher. The dialog box launcher is a small icon that appears in some groups. If we click on this icon, a dialog box opens that provides more information or options related to group. Now इसमें क्या होता है, एक छोटा सा ही आइकन है and we get more information about that group. Okay, we will see this also. Next we are having horizontal ruler and vertical rulers. The horizontal ruler is located at the top of the document window. It is used to set the left and the right margin indents and the tabs of the document. Remember, okay dear children, horizontal ruler किसके लिए होता है? एक तो वो टॉप में होता है and is used to set the left and the right margin. The opposite will be the vertical ruler. It is located at the left of the document. It is used to set the top and the bottom margins of the document. Let us see this also. This is our word window. Okay, see, this is a small dialog box launcher. ये आपको छोटा सा arrow दिख रहा है. This is a small dialog box launcher. Once we are clicking on it, हमको इस ग्रुप के बारे में और भी ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. एक न्यू विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी एंड देन वी विल गेट मोर ऑप्शंस रिलेटेड टू द फॉन्ट ग्रुप. अंडरस्टूड? देन हियर इन द टॉप this is the horizontal ruler. You can see my cursor. It is used to set the left and the right margins. Clear? हम यहाँ से right indent and right margin को ऐसे set कर सकते हैं. Is it clear to you? This is the vertical ruler. This is the vertical ruler. It is at the left of the document. कहाँ पे है ये? Left side में है. ये top और bottom margins को set करने के लिए होता है. See, we can set the margins like this by clicking on it and then dragging it. Is it clear to you, dear children? This is the vertical ruler. This is the horizontal ruler. Clear? Next we are having vertical scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located to the right of the document window. It is used to move the document up or down. And the horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom of the document window just above the status bar. It is used to move the document left or right. Now see the difference, dear children. Vertical scroll bar क्या करता है? सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट में ऊपर नीचे जाने के लिए. Okay, to move up and down, as an horizontal scroll bar to move left and right. Yes. Next we are having cursor. This we have already seen. The small blinking line on the document area is called the cursor. It tells the position of the typed text. See, dear children, this is our Word document. Here, this is a vertical scroll bar. Yes. See, it is used to move up and down. Yes, it is used to move up and down. It is on the right of the. And then here we are having the horizontal scroll bar. See, this is the horizontal scroll bar. You can see. Okay, as we haven't typed anything, so we are not able to move left and right. ठीक है, हमने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, इसलिए हम ऊपर नीचे move नहीं कर सकते हैं. But we can see the scroll bar on the right. See, we are moving up and we are moving down. Yes, is it clear to you? Okay, dear children, and this is a cursor. Means यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी type कर सकते हैं, like happy morning, like this. Yes, dear children. Okay, moving on to next what we are having today. Then a small action time which is there in your textbook. You have to do it in the textbook on page number 74. Unscramble the following components of Word 2016. The first one is हमको इनको unscramble करना है. The first one is ribbon. It is ribbon. Okay. The next one is ruler. R-U-L-E-R. So here you will write ruler. The third one is file tab. So here you will write file tab. Next we are having cursor. Here on the fourth one you will write cursor. And the last we are having title bar. So the last answer will be title bar. Once you are done with your action time, you will send me the photo shot of it. Okay, dear children? We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all, dear children.